Arutani KNUT nikiratetia kanjo igeranio bũrũri-inĩ KNEC nĩ gũteithĩrĩria kana nĩ gũcerithĩria mbeca iria iheagwo arutani arĩa marũgamĩrĩra na kũmaka igeranio cia bũrũri. Maabitha anene a kĩama KNUT maheanĩte mũkana wa kwaga kũrũgamĩrĩra igeranio icio cia bũrũri kwambĩrĩria mũthenya wa mweri ũyũ angĩkorwo mateta mao matigũthikĩrĩrio. Mwandĩki mũnene ngwatanĩro ĩno Collins Oyu augĩte arutani magĩrĩire kũrĩhagwo marĩkia kũrũgamĩrĩra kana kũmaka igeranio mbeca icio itagũcerithĩrio.
Teachers invigilated, teachers marked exams, and teachers supervised exams. In return, Kenya National Examination Council frustrated the teachers. I know some of you who invigilated, some who supervised. It is only a month ago that you were paid. Kweli ama uongo? We are putting Kenya National Examination Council on spot. If they don't want the services of teachers, so that they frustrate you after supervising and invigilating exams, let them look for invigilators and supervisors of their own.
There is this group permanently at C1 and C2. It should not go. It should not be through interviews and staying at a job group for 3 years. Some will reach C5 when they will have become ancestors at 65. The others attend new and high academic qualifications from diploma to degree, especially in SNE, ECD and